So come on, let's make this blue moon shine all day. Let's make this world do everything you say. It's so easy and so wonderful to feel this way, to feel this way.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Natalia, also known as Chef Rudakova, and today we're going to make something very close to my heart. We're going to make Greek-inspired ravioli. We're going to use all the traditional ingredients and flavors and present them in a new, fun, interesting, modern way. So without further ado, let's start. So first things first, we're going to make a dough for our ravioli. And in order to make it more fun and interesting, we're going to add a little bit of natural colorant in the form of these interesting dry blue flowers. And I'm going to write down on the screen the name of these flowers so you can find them as well. And make our dough blue. And for the filling, we're going to use, of course, halloumi, which is a form of cheese, a very dry cheese that you can also grill. It's a traditional filling for Greek ravioli, so we're not going to play with them, we're not going to alter it. It's just perfect as it is. And everything is going to be served with terra masalata foam made with fish roux, a little bit of fish stock, and some almond blossoms. So first, let's start with our dough preparation for our ravioli. For the dough, we're going to need 5 ingredients. The first one is our blue dried flowers that are going to give our nice blue color. Water, salt, a little bit of nutritional yeast to give this elasticity to our dough, and of course flour. As it goes for the flour, I would recommend to go for the strongest white flour that you can find. It can be called bread flour or 00 flour, depending on where in the world you're located. Just look at the back of your flour label and look for the nutritional label. Choose the one that has around 12% of protein content on it. This type of flour would give the best dough for ravioli, for tortellini, for pierogi, for any kind of other pasta types. And now, before I start with the dish preparation, I just want to talk a little bit more about these beautiful dried blue flowers that we're going to use. They are not ordinary flowers, you know, they are kind of magical flowers. They do some culinary magic, if you know what I mean. Basically, the way to use them, you need to steep them in hot water or hot liquid of your choice, and they will give a blue color to this liquid. But if afterwards you add a little bit of acidity to this liquid in the form of lemon juice or vinegar, the color of the liquid will change from blue to purple. And I'm not going to use this magical trick in my dish right now, but I might use it in the future. Did you know about these flowers? Let me know in the comments below. So here we go, our cute ravioli is ready. This is the shape that I've chosen. Do you know the name of the shape? I don't know. I've just made it. I was going for some kind of cute, very yummy looking, something like a present or a candy shape, and this is what I ended up with. I'm sure that somebody already made it before, so let me know in the comments below if you know the name. Now we're going to cook them up, heat up our fish stock, and finally make our terra masalata culinary foam. And if you want to learn the proper technique of making a culinary foam, do check out the video over here that I've prepared a few months ago, explaining all the techniques and how to make it basically. So for our terra masalata foam, I'm going to use a tarama, which is a cured and very salty fish roux that is usually used to make a traditional terra masalata dip that is served with Greek mise. And I'm going to mix it together with a little bit of cream and soy lecithin.
So come on, let's make this blue moon shine all day. Let's make this world do everything you say. It's so easy and so wonderful to feel this way, to feel this way.
So this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. And I'll see you in the next video.